Hey everyone, welcome back to the homestead. My name's Brian Taylor. It's been a very exciting couple weeks for us here at the homestead. Some pretty new events have happened, and then some very unexpected events have happened, and we're going to share those with you. Just the highlights real quick is the snow, obviously, and you guys probably already saw our snow day video. That came really unexpected. And then the arrival of not one, but two litters of piglets came to the homestead. So the main focus of this video is going to be about those piglets. So let's get in it and show you the piglets, and hopefully you guys think they're as stinking awesome as we do. All right. All right, so the 10th of January, I went outside to our pig area, and our IPP gal Luna, she looked like she was ready, so made sure we had straw, we had hay, but we really didn't have a whole lot of time to set it up. And then I got a call from my wife saying, hey, there's piglets, you know, some good news and bad news. She completely tore down the shelter. She ripped like a tarp up to try to make a nest out of it. She had 4 babies, but 2 of them don't look like she made it. You know, so a little bit distraught, but at the same time grateful that the day of piglets was finally here. It made us learn a couple of really hard lessons, but here's some footage of when I finally made it home and was able to see those piglets. All right, so today's the day we've been waiting for a very long time. I came home on my lunch because I wanted to see them in the daylight. I usually don't see the sun, but today is the day that our IPP had her piglets. And I haven't seen them yet. I've just seen a couple pictures that my wife sent me. And of course, I've heard the rumors that pigs will pick the worst possible day to have their babies. And of course, she didn't have enough bedding. She didn't have enough of a few things because we were not prepared. And that is on us. We own it. But it is also so incredibly muddy out here. It's hard to even walk. Let me show you guys. So here's our creek. Walking across a little makeshift bridge. You can just see all the pig prints walking over here. It's hard to even walk. There's Kevin over there in the background. You see him? He's the daddy. There's all the Auntie Mayshon girls. Hi, little girls. There's my little girl. Hi, May May. Okay, now we're coming over. Uh-oh, is that gate broken? I'm not sure what's going on here. Oh my gosh, it's so incredibly muddy. It's like just tipping the gate. We're getting stuck. Oh my goodness. I'm glad Maisie told me to change into boots because that would have been really bad. All right, Mama is over here and haven't seen them yet. There's Mama. And there's our little babies. Oh, she had a rough night. Hi, Mama. This is our IPP. And we weren't sure if the daddy was Ogre, the Mangalitsa, or if the daddy was Kevin, the IPP, and I think it's pretty clear looking at these guys that they are IPP kune crosses. It's kind of a weird echo under here. Guys, if you know us, you know we have been actively waiting to see if any babies were going to be coming. We weren't even 100% sure she was pregnant because this is our very first time experiencing piglets. Huh, May May? Mm-hmm. And we didn't know what to expect. These little guys are so precious. Maisie said that Mama doesn't let you get too close. I'm gonna see if it'll let me touch. Oh my goodness. They are so small. I need to do a little work on this shelter because it's supposed to get pretty dang cold. You know, we've got the heat lamp under here. set up. We've also got another pig that's probably due any day that we need to take care of as well. So we've got a little bit of work to do here on the homestead. We're just happy. She ended up having 4, and 2 of them didn't make it. But she is a very, very good mama. I'm really worried about this setup in this pen, but we will make it happen. We'll do everything we can to keep these little boys, they're 2 little boars, and they might be borrows soon. We got to learn how to do that too, but we're very excited. So we'll keep you guys posted. We'll update you on this video, and we'll be back soon to show you some progress with them. Maisie's trying to see if Mama will let her hold one.
Oh, they're eating?
You can still try. We can always put them back to eat some more. Oh my. This one appears to be the favorite of the family, huh? Aw. Hi, little boy. Look how... Oh, he's nice and warm. That's good. He doesn't like my cold hand getting on him. Aw. That's awesome. So Maisie called my wife and was like, they're so cute. Can I have one? Oh, she's putting them back because Mama looks like she's getting upset. Oh, she goes right for the food. She sees it. You got mean old Ogre trying to figure out what's going on here. He's like, those aren't my kids. Huh, Ogre? Huh, Ogre? Don't be mean, okay? You be nice. That's fine. Okay, well, we'll see what we can do to make this shelter a little bit better, okay? We'll be back. All right, so just for the night, Maisie and I added this panel here. You can still kind of see them underneath the heat lamp, which is great. And then it's definitely secured on all sides. The little flap there for her to get in and out, no problem. That'll hold us over. Very happy with this temporary solution that'll hopefully get us another day until I can really work on it. All right. There's Mama eating the placenta. I know that's kind of gross, but... Then exactly 1 week later, on the 25th, I had a late start at work. It was actually one of the few days I was able to make it up the roads to get into work. And I went up and I checked on Lena, and she was huffing and puffing, and she looked like she was in some pretty serious labor. So I got the family up there, and the family was able to experience the birth of 6 baby coons. And one of them, as you'll see, doesn't quite look like the others. So hopefully you enjoy this. One of them didn't make it. And if you're a little queasy to animals giving birth, this may not be the best video for you to watch, but hopefully you enjoy it. It was exciting for me to finally see this video. I got to see a video. I didn't get to see it in real life. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it as much as I did.
Oh, yes.
There's a hoof. Oh my gosh. That was so cool.
Oh, good job.
Oh, good job, Mama.
Oh.
She's about to have another one.
I think this one's definitely a mango. Hey, look at this nose.
There's a baby.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh. That is so beautiful. It's a like mixed one.
So our little Lena coon had 6 babies today, and all but one of them survived, and one of them does not look like the others. And we think that it's a Mangalitsa cross, and we looked that up, and it is possible. So we'll find out. That's pretty adorable, though. We're happy.
All right, so here are some of the babies. So on the they're really squirmish. This one on the right, where we think is just a regular coon. Kevin is the dad, and then this one we actually think Ogre got her back in.
Careful. Here.
Yeah, you can hold it. My dad can hold it.
Woo!
We think that might be half Mangalitsa, half kune. Very, very good.
Very different looking.
I don't think kune are born gray. If you know a gray kune, let me know. Put them back. And those are the 2 girls that we got, and then we also have 3 boys as well. They all look just like Kevin. Every single one of them do. All very blonde, not very many black spots.
Those are the boys?
Those are the boys. Yeah.
They're cute. All right. Woo! All right, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this little piglet update. We're really excited to finally have these guys on the homestead. Huh. I'll get you back with your mama. All right, we'll catch you on the next video. Bye, guys.